Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Quick Mod Monday where we do a mod install or mod review in 5 minutes or less. Let's go! In today's Quick Mod Monday, we are going to do an amber delete here on the side of the Tacoma. It's a little bit of an insert from Tacoma Clout, not sponsored by them in any way. So what we've got are, it's basically a little sticker that's an overlay. It's gonna go right here, right over the top. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and peel this off, and then let's see how hard it is to put it on there. You can see there's kind of this mark right there, and that should almost go exactly over where that little bit of that chrome line is right there, and then come down and then come around. Start by just carefully peeling up one end. Now when I get to here, the key is, especially with that D right there, we want to make sure that this is in the middle. So I'm going to push it down a little bit, maybe even kind of come from the sides a little bit more. So maybe I'm taking it on an angle. Make sure we get that little D. There we go. Perfectly. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to line this up. Again, I want to line up that left side, kind of line up here. I'm going to be honest, this kind of detailed stuff is not my forte. So I'm going to try to line that top line up as best we can. Once I feel like I've got the top line, then we're going to come down and do the rest of it. Before I let it lay down, got to make sure to not let it fall like I just did right there. Making sure I've got the top where I want it. Now I kind of just come down, make sure that I'm just coming all the way across and laying it down flat all the way across. This way there's no kind of major bubbles or folds. I'm really worried more about folds in it. Awesome, just like that. All right, one down, one to go. So again, take it on an angle. If you see it peel up the part you don't want to come up, push it down, take it on a little bit different angle. Again, I've known to have these problems with those little pieces, so pushing those in a little more. Went a little fast there. So that came up, go a little slower. Now we'll just make sure those are pushed down. As you can see, this is a simple mod. I've got a 2021 TRD off-road, so I really like that off-road sticker. I know that Tacoma Clout has SR5 Pro, some other things. I've got the metallic black, so anything I could do to hide some chrome, blacken it out a little bit. I've got the blacked out emblems. I'll put links to those in the description below. Also put a link to Tacoma Clout. Thank you for checking out another video. Thanks for checking out a Quick Mod Monday, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.